Hi friends, Sarah here. So let's dive into this block lettering tutorial. I love this piece. I can't wait to show you guys how to do this. So right now I'm in full screen mode, and just a reminder to get out of this, you can either use a 4-finger tap or tap up here in the left-hand corner on this little icon. And in this tutorial, we're going to be using the Hewitt Avenue block lettering brush set. Okay, so we need to alpha lock this actually just alpha lock all layers by swiping over to the right. We needed the pink color, drag and drop. We needed this light purple color. We needed the orange, and then this kind of reddish color. Love that. And we'll kind of just repeat that. Okay, I love how that looks. And now all else is already alpha locked. All we need is the teal color. Tap on the layer, tap fill layer. It'll only fill where the black is because it's alpha locked. So if you're trying to fill the layer or fill the coloring and you tap fill it and it does the whole thing, it's because you're not alpha locked. So make sure you've got each of those layers alpha locked. Okay, great. So let's do our monoline, the monoline lettering layers on top of the block lettering. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a trick with this. Okay, great. Let's turn down. I'll show you this in just a second. So if I'm trying to create this curve, see how wobbly that is? It's really difficult on these long curves when you're so close to keep it completely straight. So if you're struggling with how wobbly it is, just come into the brush studio for that brush and increase your stabilization and your motion filtering. And I will go way up. It slows down the brush, but this is such a fine detail that it really is going to help you with this part of the layering. So if you go way too fast, it's not as expressive. So it's not going to respond as much because you've taken out that expression. So you do actually have to go pretty slow on your curves and make sure you're I think of it as trying to stick the monoline layer along the curve exactly where I want it. And I'm going to show you when we get up to other. Okay guys, so that is the tutorial. If I group all of these together, I'll show you the two different pieces. So this is the sketch. This is the first one I created, and this is the one we did together. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Happy lettering!